Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video and embed a YouTube video into your blog post. Now there are a lot of reasons for this to use YouTube. There are technical reasons like YouTube has great fast servers with the right technology so that your video will show up on anybody's different browser. And then also there are search engine reasons like, by having your video on YouTube with a link to your website, then you have another doorway into your website and more search engine juice. So there are a lot of good reasons to use YouTube, embed the video that way. So if you bring up YouTube and you bring up a video that you want to embed, what we do is I'll show you there are a couple ways to do this, and I'm going to show you the ultra easy way first. If you do share and then it has the YouTube link, that's the first thing it shows you, and you copy that, and then what you do is you put it, it needs to be on its own line here. So let's say I want it right before the last paragraph here. So I just hit enter, make a new spot, and paste it in. I just paste the URL in. If I hit update, and then we go back, refresh, and there's the video. So it doesn't get too much easier than that, where it embeds the video just by putting in the URL. Now there are a few reasons why you might want to do it a little differently than that. One is because you want to use a different size. So like we said before, that's about 700 or 800 pixel wide, and so the default size isn't very it doesn't fill up the whole space. So let's say we want to use a different size. Well, if we want to do that, we just do embed, and they have different sizes here, but I don't think any of them are going to be, the 640 is the default size, so that was the size that they gave us probably. But we can do custom, and let's say we want to make it 700, just because I'm sure that'll fit. As soon as you put that in, it changes the embed code up here. As soon as you click on the embed code, it highlights the whole embed code. You can right click, choose copy. Now one thing is, I recommend that if you're going to put in a YouTube video code, that you not put it here into the visual mode. I'm not sure if that would be a problem or not, but it's just better not to do it. So we're going to go into text mode. We're going to find the paragraph. Let's say we want to put it at the very bottom. So we'll just hit enter after the last line, paste in the embed code, and then hit update, just so it's different, so we can see the difference and see how much wider it is. So we can tell from this that it's pretty close to 750 pixels or 700 pixels wide. This space is. You probably wouldn't want to make it much bigger than that. So that's how you embed a YouTube video into your post. I'll look at a couple more things here. By default, mine is already set to show where it says show suggested videos. This is in the embed mode. You want to make sure that's unchecked. You don't want, it would be very seldom that you'd want to see related videos after yours. There's nothing else you have to check or uncheck here. All these 4 boxes can be unchecked. And that's really all there is to it. Uploading a video on YouTube is very easy. I mean, if you hit upload, you select the file, you put in a title and a description. When you're putting in the description, when you put in your web address, put in the whole web address with the HTTP. So like this one would be http://instantcanine.com, because then YouTube will turn it into a clickable link. And it's even better to just put in the whole address right to the post where you're going to add the video if it's a video that's specific for that post. So I'm going to take that out. By the way, then if I go back to visual, let's see what it looks like. See, it puts this little block in here. So I'm just going to delete it out. Click on it, delete it out, because that's not, doesn't really belong. Update. And that's all there is to adding a video. It's really simple to add a video. I'll cover a couple more things in the next video. Thanks.